Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Philippines. In this video, I will discuss about subscription-based business model. Subscription-based business model. From Spotify to Netflix, the rise of subscription-based businesses is having a real impact on how consumers buy and use products. Instead of making one of purchases, people are now subscribing to services, renting products, and making recurring payments. This shift in consumer behavior is changing the priorities for many businesses. Simply selling units of a product or service is no longer enough. Building lasting relations with customers is now vital. What is subscription-based business model? A subscription model is a revenue model that charges a recurring fee for access to a product or service. Its recurring nature is attractive to businesses as a stream of income and as a means for improving customer lifetime value. The model was pioneered by magazines in newspapers, but is now used by many businesses and websites. They focus on customer retention over customer acquisition. In essence, subscription business models focus on the way revenue is made so that a single customer pays multiple payments for prolonged access to a good or service. With the rise of technology and software as a service or SaaS products, many companies are moving from a business revenue model where revenue is made from a customer's one-time purchase to a subscription model where revenue is made on a recurring basis in return for consistent access to the delivery of a good or service. The easiest subscription business model to understand is that one of a magazine company. Instead of selling a magazine as a standalone product where a customer makes a one-time purchase, magazine companies offer a subscription service for the delivery of a weekly or a monthly magazine. In this model, instead of having customers make a single purchases, the magazine companies offer a monthly payments for a yearly subscription to access their monthly magazines. If a magazine company offers a monthly magazine service instead of as a single magazine purchase, it offers its service as a 12-month service comprised of 12 purchases. This makes the revenue model of the company stronger because it guarantees itself sales over a 12-month period rather than a single purchase. This makes revenue forecasting in a business planning easier since a company can project its sales farther with more accuracy. Magazine companies are not the only model that uses subscription business models. With technology, almost any product or service can now be a subscription model. Subscription-based model business benefits. New revenue opportunities. Second, improved cash flow. Third, competitive point of difference. Fourth, increased customer loyalty. Fifth, more accurate stock control. Example of subscription-based business model, telecom. A telecom provider charges customer a monthly fee for a broad access with unmetered bandwidth. Example, Smart, PLDT, Globe, Sun Communication. These examples that we have is based in the Philippines, telecommunication companies here. Software. A cloud services company charges a monthly fee per use for access to a sales automation platform. Example, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Clouds, Spotify, GoDaddy, Microsoft Office 360, SAP, Spotify. Okay. Gift box. A cosmetics brands offer a monthly gift box service that sends customer a variety of product examples of each month for a fee. Example, glossy box. Theme park. A theme park offers a members a pass sold as a recurring monthly service fee. Example, Dubai Parks and Resort. Members club. A e-commerce retail offers benefits such as free shipping in exchange for an annual recurring fee. Service plan. A maintenance company offers homeowners a service plan on equipment such as air conditioning units. Customers pay a monthly fee and get free repairs when something breaks. Media. A streaming media service offers unlimited access to videos and music for a monthly fee per person or household. Example, Netflix, Sky Cable. Non-profit. A non-profit asks for donations as a subscription that may include benefits such as a monthly magazine that outlines group work. Information access. A national newspaper charges a subscription fee to access web-based content. An example, Times Magazine, Code Magazine, Reader's Digest Magazine. The disadvantages of using subscription-based business model. First, customers may get annoyed if they end up regularly paying for a service they don't use. Do you really watch all those channels on cable when you are forced to pay for a specific bundle? Second, they may find themselves getting hit automatically for charges that they don't want. Third, they may also find it difficult to upgrade, more likely to downgrade or cancel the service. Fourth, in its worst cases, they can feel they were manipulated into signing up for the service in the first place, something that will make them more likely to cancel. Any kind of sales manipulation or incentive is less likely to retain long-term relationships in a subscription economy. Businesses may be tempted to get lazy or complacent, where the incentive to keep on top of things if you're essentially got a captive customer base. Subscription companies can't rest on their laurels, otherwise their customers will simply not renew. I believe subscription businesses must continually invest and improve. After all, their break-even point comes way down the road compared to a company that gets paid for a service up front. Next, there's also a moral issue to consider. It is ethically right to charge people for something they don't use. The so-called zombie accounts that keep getting charged even though no one is using them. Option to traditional subscription model. First, short-term contracts. Second, pay per use. Third, the micropayment model. Give it away. Fourth, conclusion. Creative thinking is just what's needed here. I believe strongly that a business must always be challenging itself. It must work to deliver a better product, but it must also question and innovate in its business practices. That includes its approach to billing. What worked yesterday will not necessarily work with as much efficiency tomorrow. It is not written in stone that subscription-based model, as we and other SaaS companies use it, cannot evolve. We should be questioning our billing models. Only two things should not change. Our billing practices should be fair and perceived to be so, and our customers should easily see the value in what we are providing them. Well, about me, about the presenter, presently as working as a part-time IT instructor at College Art and Sciences at the Asia in the Pacific Bacolod City campus. In addition, I also working as data analyst in software quality assurance engineer for Channel Technologies Philippines project-based contract. Previously, I worked as a software engineering consultant, application development team lead in Accenture, Manila for more than 2 years. My personal website is http://www.jakerpomperada.com. This is the end of my presentation. I hope guys that you have learned something new in our topic on subscription based business model. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.